Okay, in this video, we'll be restoring a pair of Ugg Karens, and I'm going to show you what tools and supplies are needed for you to refurbish suede boots from start to finish. My name is Footprinse. Now let's get into this tutorial. Please stay tuned to the end for some more bonus footage. Thank you for watching. All right, so I'm up here airbrushing these Uggs right now, revitalizing the color. We got the ashy Uggs over here. And then we got the other one right here that you can see I'm airbrushing. You can see the color at the top. I got to cover that. But this is the Ugg color right here that I'm using. 2 ounces. And then right here, it's like ½ an ounce. But even with one of those, it'll do the whole shoe or the whole boot with just one of these. So it's going to last a long time, and you could do a whole bunch of Uggs with that color right. We're airbrushing on a low pressure at like 25 psi, and then after I airbrush the suede, I brush it. I get a brush and I brush this in the same way I did if you watch my other video on YT with the Travis Scott 4s. Same principle. This is the other Ugg from the beginning. How you can see how ashy it was. This is the color. We might have to go over it more than one time to achieve the desired color, but that's no problem. I would think, but this one, it's looking at about 2 to 2.5 coats of the Ugg color. Okay, so if you got the Ugg color or you're redoing your Uggs and you don't have an airbrush, that's fine. All you're gonna need is the spray bottle and the level 3 brush, and you're gonna spray your Uggs down like from 6 inches away. It's gonna be like a light mist, just like so, with your color. And then to reduce the spotting, you're going to brush it in. That's the key here. Let me get this one out the way. So it's just holding it away, and you let the mist hit it. I'm gonna have to clean up the fur. Then to even it out so it doesn't dry like that, you brush the color in to get rid of the spots and whatnot. So to get even deeper in there, you go get this is a level 3 brush. Sorry, I said before this is level 3. This level 2, this level 3. And you want to get in there and brush that in. I actually put these in front of the oven on 200 degrees after to let it dry and let the color set in. But you can see the color isn't going anywhere even while we're brushing, and we revived the color of these Uggs just like that with the Ugg spray and dye. You can use it with an airbrush or you can use it with a mist bottle. I'm gonna try to come out with a better mist bottle than this one to make it easier for application. But as of right now, it looks pretty good. Okay, so if you get overspray in the fur, no problem. Just get your level 3. Wait for the paint to dry because it's just overspray. Get that brush and brush out that the overspray out of that fur. This brush is very rough, so it's gonna do the job. But you can see the color is restoring. If you want, it's up to you, depending on how severe the damage is. You might want to do more than one coat. As you can see that it's dry. Get that out. You can see that coming right out. And these are ready to wear, or for me personally, I'm gonna sell them. I'm gonna sell these. So I'm about to load these up and probably sell them for like, I don't know. I'll probably sell these for like $60 or something like that, refurbished. Okay, Ugg spray and dye is available on Footprinse site or on eBay. There's also other colors for Timberland boots, suede. Just go over the process. You can check out my Travis Scott 4 oilless blue video and watch it. You just spray on your dye, brush it in with the brush to get the even color, let it dry. Me personally, I put it in front of a oven on 200 degrees and sat it on a piece of cardboard so that the soles don't get unglued. These, I didn't have to worry about that because these were stitched. and let it dry so that the color can set. Okay, all tools and supplies used in these videos will be listed in the comments or in the description. And whatnot. Check out Footprinse Colors. Thanks for watching. Hey, my name is Donovan, aka The Footprints, and here's my backstory. I started restoring Uggs, selling sneakers and shoes and boots since 2016. When I first started restoring Uggs, sneakers and shoes, it was just for extra income. But over the years, I learned to recondition, refurbish, and recolor Uggs in a pretty significant way, and I started to earn large profits. It didn't matter what condition they were in, bent, water stain, salt stain, heel drag, and more. They were getting fixed. I made good money, and I thought I would share how, so I wrote a book about it called Old Kicks to Cash. There's an entire chapter in there called Restoring for Higher Profits. After that, word got around and people started sending me sneakers, shoes, and boots from everywhere. Every case was unique, but I was up for the challenge. After countless trials and errors to fix damaged suede, a color match of paint and spray dye for Uggs was born, as well as a match for men's Timberland wheat boots, along with over 35 color matches for Air Jordan sneakers. With great perseverance and faith, I followed the footprints in the sand, all with the intent and goal to make a way for my child. And that's how I became known as The Footprints. Thank you for watching, and as promised, here's some more sneaker restoration bonus content. I'm going to show you a little trick here. You see them like little hairs on the suede? You want them to go away. This is only for like top grain suede, by the way. You cannot do this on like light suede. Top grain. So you just get yourself a little torch, okay, and I just burn those hairs away. Not getting very close. I'm not trying to burn the shoe, but you can see it reduced those hairs dramatically. Like we got some on the front here. I'll show you just a little test before I re-dye this. Those hairs on the suede. For the hairs on the suede, like this is like top grain suede. If it looks like I want to say hairy or the hairs are sticking up, what you can do, a little quick hack, is get yourself a lighter and then you just kind of just graze it. Just like that. Get rid of those hairs. See any excess hairs? Wherever I see excess hair at, just get my lighter and graze those hairs.